Namaskar. This is Sandeep Singh and you are watching Rebel News India. Let's have a look on today's top headlines, starting with Bihar and national news.
Bihar Board Matric Result 2020 declares today. Bihar Board 10th Result 2020 declared at online bsev.in. 80.59% passed BSEV matric examination. Bihar inches towards 3,000 mark. Official blame influx of migrant for spike. On a being and a prayer, this family is home in time for lackluster Eid. Patna's commercial complex opened shutter after 2 months. Intelligent testing strategy for being ahead of virus, says ICMR. Over the 2 months under lockdown, India's coronavirus case tally has risen from about 600 to more than 1.4 lakh, and it is now number 10 in the world. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi said on Tuesday that his party is not a key player in running the Maharashtra government. BMC's new testing plan from slums for every positive patient, quarantine 15 contacts. Day 63 of coronavirus lockdown, ground report from Indian cities. Fire broke out in Uttarakhand forest due to the rise in mercury levels.
Let's have a look on today's top international headlines.
Top Canadian official says it's a great time to build a pipeline because of ban on large public protests due to the pandemic. Despite a strict coronavirus lockdown, protesters took to the streets across Ecuador against President Lenin Moreno's economic measures. Hong Kong leader Carrie Lam says Beijing's proposed national security laws will not affect cities' right and freedom. US biotech company Novavax announced it has begun phase 1 of a clinical trial for a coronavirus vaccine.
This is the time for entertainment and sport zone.
FIFA bans Haiti soccer's officials for sexual abuse. AFC Bournemouth goalkeeper Aaron Ramsdale said he is in a state of shock after testing positive for coronavirus. Cristiano Ronaldo shows off silicon skills, score basket during training. Ajay Devgan is all praise for Sonu Sood's effort of helping migrants during the lockdown, says more strength to you. Karan Johar, who has celebrated his 48th birthday, and he has thanked his friend Rani Mukherjee for making such a yummy cake for him on his special day. Swara Bhaskar slammed a troll who asked her to settle in Pakistan. It started when Swara expressed condolence during the Karachi plane crash which happened in Pakistan. And the special report is, the construction of Grand Temple on Ram Janmabhoomi has started from today. Announced by Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra Trust Chairman Mahant Nritya Gopal Das. The Mahant made his announcement after performing a puja at newly built makeshift temple structure which now houses the Ram Lala idol.
Thanks for watching Rebel News India. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.